Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the digital classroom. Today we are going to learn basics of English. So, children, let's see. There are 26 letters in English. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So now let's see the letter A, E, I, O, U. All those letters are called vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U are vowel sounds. Those produce vowel sounds. All those letters are produce sounds. And the remaining others, what are the remaining letters remain? That are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those letters are called consonants. So you see, when we say bat, we say B-A-T, bat. B here is a consonant and T is consonant. With the help of vowel sound, we make words like bat. Similarly, you can see cat. Here we have C-A-T, cat. C is a consonant sound, T is a consonant sound, but A is vowel sound. C-U-P, cup. C is a consonant sound, U is vowel sound, and P is consonant sound. So all those consonants and vowel sound help us to make words. With the help of the sound, we make words.